So guys, that my friend is here. She has come to see me. If you should not roast me, please. Let me hear what she has to say. Listen, you not coming to before.
I came to apologize. I'm sorry for what happened. It was intentional.
It was intentional.
No, it wasn't intentional. I'm sorry.
Stand up, sit down before you say they be down for me. You don't do that. You see how I do now?
I never wanted to accept it, but he kept on insisting. It started from 20,000, and I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
So let's say now, person say that your friend Rosemary, help me put small something, give her, make she buy. They won't give you.
God forbid.
You go accept am because of the amount of the money now.
No, see that one.
You no first accept because say the money small. You know first for 20k why you no accept am?
For everything.
Now when the money come reach 50k, now then your eye come open. Money is the root of all evil.
I know.
So you don't show
I know fit you for everything
You
wey you
want
don do for me. God forbid. No, I'm even
babe,
now.
free that thing. Even that day when you come, before you even come my house, say how much I transfer give you?
I know say you just reach out.
I give you money, abi?
You try. You give me money.
I try.
Yeah.
So now the 50k, okay, you say 20, no gree, 30, no gree. No be say you dey protect my interest. No, you were after the money. As it just mentioned 50,000, back on your head burst. 50,000. You say na to kill me, because you go collect. Babe, you go collect. If na for 50,000 you collect, then person come tell you say okay 500k, you go collect na.
No,
you go collect na now. You go collect. Shut up.
I no go.
No do it.
I know.
They whine me.
But that they video me.
Why you no video you? No, last one wey I post, people come dey attack me say she went because they tempted her. Because they tempted her. Because they tempted her.
Person.
But they give you money.
I know they give you money. I dey beg you. No, na mistake. I don't tell you say na mistake. I dey beg you. You still call the video
When they
me.
come, if I no invite you to my house, no come abeg.
I dey beg you. Don't be begging.
When they see your cause, e come be like say you be really need money. Which money you be need?
I don't. No.
You be need money.
I need money. You know, say I
You need money. What will I give you no do? They whine me. They whine me. If they give you that amount of money, say me you kill me, go kill me.
I no fit. I
You
don't
go
beg
kill me,
you. I
madam.
dey beg you. I dey beg you.
Okay, but we say na your sister husband.
I no go. No.
You no go do
bring
wetin?
that one come.
Man, no bring that one come.
No bring that one.
Na like this e dey start na madam.
I beg.
Na beg you dey beg. So wetin you dey find na? You wan go kill me kpatakpata? Babe, abeg leave this thing wey you dey do. No worry, we go still be friends, but all this crocodile tears no work. Because if to say I know say you no get money, I for no say okay na because of the money. Cause people come dey say she did not have money. I gave you money and you had money in your account o. Madam, you get money for your account. Come dey form. This na crocodile tears. Madam, stand up.